Welcome to class 7 mathematics classes. We are in area of circle and ring, exercise 23G. Question number 6. In a rectangular plot of land 70 meter long and 40 meter broad. Okay, a rectangular plot is there, length is 70 meter and breadth is 40 meter. A circular garden of radius 17.5 meter, radius is 17.5 meter is developed. So a circular garden is developed in a rectangular plot. Okay, so find the cost of turfing. Turfing means to lay the grass. Okay, grass like things, artificial it may be, the remaining portion at the rate of rupees 28.50. okay, at this rate we have to lay the grass per square meter. So here is the figure according to question. Okay, so length is 70 meter of this rectangle and breadth is 40 meter of this rectangle, and a circle of radius 17.5 meter is inside this rectangular plot. Okay, this is a garden. So now turfing means the area, this area, okay, this area, the grass will be laid. So this area we have to find the cost of turfing. Okay, this area we have to find the cost of turfing. So here first we have to find the area of this rectangle. Okay, so solution, area of rectangular plot, okay, it will be equal to length into breadth. Okay, length is given here as 70 meter and breadth is given as 40 meter. So area will be meter square, 70 into 40. So here 2800 meter square is the area of the rectangular plot. Okay, now area of circle, let us find. Area of circle will be equal to pi r square. Okay, so pi is your 22/7 and r is your 17.5. meter square. Okay, so here 22/7 into 17.5 into 17.5. Calculating this part, okay, simplifying this part, we will get 962.5, okay, as the area of this circle. And now if we subtract the area of circle from the area of rectangle, what we will get? We will get the remaining area, that is for turfing. Okay, so the area of turfing will be equal to the area of rectangular plot minus the area of circle. Okay, so area of rectangular plot is this much, and area of circle is this much. So when we subtract, we get 1837.5 meters square. Okay, now the cost of turfing we have to find. Cost of turfing, rate is given in the question. Okay, it is 28.5 rupees, 28.50 per square meter, okay, and we have this many square meter. So if we multiply with the rate 18, that is 1837.5 into the area of turfing. Okay, this is the area of turfing and the rate is 28.50. okay, so when we find the product of these two, we'll get the cost of turfing, that is rupees 52 1368.75. Okay. Question number 7. A wire when bent in the form of a square. Okay, a wire is there. When it is bent to form a square, encloses an area of 146.41 centimeter square. If this wire is straightened, okay, after forming this square, then again it is straightened and then bent to form a circle. Okay, the same wire is being used to form a circle. Now question is, what will be the area of the circle so formed? So we have to take out the area of that circle. Okay, so here the square, okay, formed by a wire, and it is straightened, and again it is formed in another shape, that is of a circle. Okay, so area of this one is given, that is 146.41 centimeter square. Okay, and it is straightened and then it is formed. Now area of this thing we have to find. Okay, so solution will be area of square, that is given as 146.41 centimeter square. So from this we'll take out the side of this square, and if we know the side of this square, then we'll know the perimeter of this square, isn't it? Then perimeter of the square and the circumference of the circle will be same, isn't it? It will be equal. So with that we'll proceed our calculation. Okay, so area of square is given by the formula side square. Okay, so side square is equals to 146.41 centimeter square. So side will be equal to square root of 146.41. The square root of 146.41, you just find it in rough, okay, by doing calculations, factorizing and all. 146, the decimal you remove it, so the square root of 14,641 you find, divided by 100. The square root of 100 is 10. Square root of this thing you find in rough by factorizing it. So we'll get it as the square root of this all, we'll get it as 12.1. okay, that is the centimeter. Side we got. Now perimeter of square will be 4 into side. So 4 into side means 4 into 12.1 centimeter. Okay, so which will give us 48.4 centimeter. Now the perimeter and circumference of the circle is equal. Okay, so perimeter of a square is equals to, in this case only, okay, it is not for every case, here only, circumference of circle. So here perimeter is given as 48.4 centimeter. Okay, so circumference will be equal to, therefore will be equal to, of the circle will be equal to, same as this. And the formula of circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, now we'll calculate r from here. Okay, so 2 is known, pi is known, r is unknown, so r we have to find. So here r will be equal to 22 by 7 here. R will be equal to 48.4. This 7 will come up, and this 2 and 22. Okay, here in denominator. 2 into 22. Okay, calculating this you will get 7.7. Simplify this, okay, cancel this and then multiply and then divide. So here area of circle, now we have to find area of circle. The r is 7.7 centimeter. Okay, now formula of area of circle is pi r square. So pi is 22 by 7, r is your 7.7, square means 7.7 into 7.7, we can write like this. Calculate this, okay, 7 1 ja 1.1, multiply this all to get the answer, that is area of circle. We get 186.34 centimeter square. Okay, question number 8. From a rectangular cardboard sheet 145 centimeter long and 32 centimeter broad, 42 circular plates each of diameter 8 centimeter have been cut out. Okay, find the area of the remaining portion of the sheet. So a rectangular cardboard is there. Okay, a rectangular cardboard is there. From this rectangular cardboard 42 circles are cut. Okay, 42 circles are cut and we have to find the area of the remaining portion of the sheet. Okay, the length and the breadth of this rectangle is 145 centimeter and 32 centimeter. The diameter of this circular disc, okay, or plates is 8 centimeter. Okay, so here 8 centimeter diameter, the radius of this one will be half of this diameter, that is 4 centimeter. And one more thing, that here in this question we'll take pi as 3.14. okay, otherwise the solution is impossible. Okay, so now let us solve it. Area of the rectangular plot, let us find at first. Area of rectangular cardboard, okay, will be equal to length into breadth. So length and breadth is your given here 145 centimeter into 32 centimeter. So area is centimeter square. So when we find the product of this, we'll get 4640 centimeter square. Now let us find the area of one circular plate. Okay, so diameter is 8 centimeter, then the radius will be 4 centimeter. So area of one circular plate, formula is pi r square. Okay, for circle area pi r square. So pi will take it here as 3.14. okay, 3.14 into your radius is 4 into 4. So multiply this and get the area of one circular plate, that is 50.24 centimeter square. Now if we subtract, no, not now, this is one circular plate. Okay, we have to find the area of 42 circular plates. So if we multiply this one with 42, then we'll get area of 42 circular plate. So 50.24 into 42 will give us the area of 42 circular plate. Okay, so here area of 42 circular plate will be equal to 2110.08 centimeter square. Okay, so now if we subtract this area from this area, we'll get the area of remaining portion of the seat, isn't it? So therefore remaining area will be equal to 4640 minus 2110.08, okay, which will be equal to 2529.92 centimeter square. Now this is not the exact remaining area, okay, as we have taken pi as 3.14, okay. Pi is such a number which is never ending, okay. 3.14 something something it comes on, isn't it? So that is why, because of this value, some error will be there, but we'll take it as this one as the approx, okay. Approx means approximately this area, will take it as the remaining area, okay. Do not get confused. Question number 9. A circle is inscribed in a square of area 784 centimeter square. Find the area of the circle. So according to question, a circle is there which is inside a square, okay, like this it is. Question means like this, okay. So the area of the square is given and we have to find the area of the circle, okay. So area of square, is equals to 784 centimeter square. This is given in the question. Now from this we can find the side of the square. So side square is equals to 784. So side will be equal to square root of 784. Factorize this and get the square root, okay. So side will be equal to 28 centimeter, okay. Now side is the diameter of the side, is the length of the diameter of this circle, isn't it? This is the diameter and this is the side, so these two are equal, okay. So radius will be, therefore radius will be equal to half of this 28 by 2, that is 14 centimeter. Now to find the area of circle, we'll apply the formula. Area of circle will be equal to pi r square, okay. So this one here I am doing, okay. So area will be equal to pi is 22 by 7 into r square means 14 into 14 here, because radius is 14. So here cancelling this and multiplying this all, we'll get 616 centimeter square, okay. Question number 10. Find the area of the space enclosed by two concentric circles of radii 25 centimeter and 17 centimeter, okay. So concentric circles means circle and then one more circle around this circle, okay. So this is a concentric circle and the radius of this small circle is 25 and the radius of small circle is 17 centimeter, okay, and the radius of big circle is 25 centimeter, and we have to find the area of the space enclosed by two concentric circles. So this area, that is the area of the ring, we have to find, okay. So now area of ring, okay. So the space covered by this ring we have to find. So area of ring, the formula we know, the formula of ring will be equal to pi capital R, that is capital R is the radius of the big circle, plus small r, radius of the small circle, okay, into capital R minus small r. So the difference of the radius and the sum of the radius into pi is the area of the ring, isn't it? So here the value of pi is your 22 by 7 and r is your 25 centimeter, capital R is 25 plus small r, that is the radius of a small circle, 17, into capital R is 25 minus small r is 17. Okay, so this is given in centimeter, so unit will be in centimeter square. Okay, so now simplifying this, 22 by 7, the sum is 42 and the difference is 8. We can calculate here. So the product is 1056 centimeter square. The area of the ring is 1056 centimeter, or you can say area of enclosed by two concentric circles is this much. Okay. Question number 11. A path of width 3.5 meter runs all around a circular pool having an area of 962.5 meter square. Find the area of the path. So according to the question, a circular pool is there. Okay, a circular pool is there and the area of this pool is 962.5 meters square, and a path of width 3.5 meter runs, okay, all around a circular pool. So a path of 3.5 meter runs all around the pool. Okay, this is the pool. The area of the pool is given and the width of this path is given. The width of this is 3.5 meter, okay, and the area of this thing is, area is equals to 962.5 meter square. Okay, so we have to find the area of the path. This path we have to find the area. So this path we have to find the area. To know the area of this path, we can apply the formula for ring. Okay, area of a ring, but here we require the radius of this circular pool. Okay, so we'll take out that radius from the given area at first. Okay, so solution, area is given as of that circular pool is given as 962.5, okay, meter square. Now area is your pi r square, 962.5 here. Okay, we are going to find the radius of this circular pool, that is r. Okay, this is 22 by 7 r square, 962.5. so r square will be 962.5 into 7. This 7 comes up by 22. Okay, so here you can multiply this, or you can simplify this. Okay, so here we'll get, by multiplying 6737.5 by 22, you divide this to get 306.25. now this is r square. To get r, we have to find the square root of 306.25. so this can be found, remove the decimal and factorize this numerator and the denominator. So you will get r as radius as 17.5. okay, just factorize this to get the square root of this. Okay, 100 square root is 10, and the square root of this one is 175. So in decimal 17.5 we got. So you do in rough this one. So radius we got as 17.5 meter of this circular pool. Now that is small r. So capital R will be, okay, the radius of this thing along with the path, the radius of this path and the circular pool together is your capital R. Okay, capital R is your 17.5 plus 3.5 meter. Okay, from here to here 3.5, from here to here 17.5. so together it is how much? 21. Okay, 21 meter. So now area of the path or the ring, okay, is given by pi r plus r, r minus r. Okay, so this is given by 22/7 into 21 plus 17.5 capital R plus small r, 21 minus 17.5. okay, do not get confused with the calculation part. This one is the first part and here is the second part. So here simplifying this 22/7, add it, you will get it as 38.5 into this one, will get it as 3.5. Now simplify this and get the answer. 423.5 meter square is the area of the path. Okay, simplify this. Question number 12. A circular field of radius 41 meter has a circular path. A circular field is there and has a circular path of uniform width 5 meter along and inside this circular field. Okay, its boundary, inside its boundary a 5 meter width path is there. Okay, find the cost of paving the path at ₹25 per square meter. So here the figure describing by the question is like this. A circular field is there, okay, and the radius of this is your 41 meter. Okay, this one is 41 meter radius. Okay, now a path, uniform path is inside this circle and the width of this path, is your 5 meter. Okay, width of this path is 5 meter. Now we have to find the area of this path and the cost of paving of this path. So here solution. So first we'll get the area of the ring. Okay, then the cost. Area of the ring will be given by the radius of this and then the radius of this small circle. Okay, so here we are getting radius, that is capital R is 41. Okay, capital R is 41 and small r it is 36. 41 minus 5. Okay, 41 minus 5 is the radius. So because 5 meter inside this, the circle starts. Okay, another circle starts. Okay, so 5 meter we have to subtract from 41. So here capital R is your 41 meter and small r is 41 minus 5, that is 36 meter. Okay, so area of ring or the path, area of path you can write, is given by pi r plus r, r minus r. Do remember the formula. Now pi is your 22/7 and capital R is your how much? 41 plus 36 small r, So 41 minus 36 here also. Sum and the difference. Sum is your 77 and the difference is your 5. Okay. Now by calculating this, we'll get the area of this path. Okay. So it is 1210. Now the cost of path at the rate of 25 rupees per square meter. Okay. This one is in square meter. So cost of paving the path will be equal to rupees 25 into this much. Okay, that is equal to rupees 30,250. Okay, so this is the cost of paving the path. Question number 13. The area of a ring is 528 centimeter square and the radius of the outer circle is 17 centimeter. Find number 1 the radius of the circle, smaller circle. Number 2 the width of the ring. So here the question is like this: area of a ring. Okay, area of a ring means this is the ring and this area is given. Okay, this area is given as 528 centimeters square and the radius of outer circle, this outer circle is given, this radius is given, okay, as 17 centimeter, and we have to find the radius of the circle, smaller circle, and the width of the ring. So solution, will start with the formula of the ring. Okay, so area of ring is given by pi r square minus r square. Okay, so here this formula we are using, okay, not the one which is r plus r, r minus r, pi into r plus r, r minus r. Okay, this one we will not use here. Now here capital R is given, okay, small r we have to find, that is the radius of smaller circle. Okay, so area is given here 528 centimeter square. Okay, so here pi r square minus r square is equals to 528. Okay, the value of pi is 22/7. Capital R is given as 17 centimeter. Okay, so in place of capital R we'll write 17 square minus small r square is equals to 528. Just to simplify this, 17 square minus r square is equals to 528. This 7 comes here and this 22 here. Okay, because this is outside the bracket, that means this is multiplying to this quantity. So we'll just simplify by bringing this 7 this side and 22 here. Now by simplifying this, we'll get it as 168. Okay, this part is 168. Square of 17, square of 17 is 289 minus r square. So r square will be 289 minus 168. This goes that side, so minus sign will be gone. Okay, then the difference of this is your 121. So r square is equals to 121. The square root of 121, square root of 121 is the radius. Okay, that is 11 centimeter here. Okay, the unit is 11 centimeter. Now the width, this is the number 1. Okay, this is number 1 answer, the radius of smaller circle. The number 2 is the width. Okay, number 2 width will be given by the difference of the capital R and small r. Width is given by capital R minus small r. Capital R is 17 centimeter and small r is your 11 centimeter. So 17 minus 11 is your how much? 6 centimeter. Width width of the ring. Okay. Question number 14. The area of a circular garden is 5,544 meters square. Outside this garden, a path of uniform width is laid all around. The area of the path is 2,002 meters square. Find number 1, the radius of the circular garden, and number 2, the width of the path. So here, according to the question, the figure is like this. A circular garden is there. Okay, the area of this thing is, the area of this part is, or this circular garden is 5,544 meters square. Okay, outside this garden, a uniform path is there of width, okay, of some width. The area of this path is also given, okay, that is 2,002 meters square. Now we have to find the radius of the circular garden. This we have to find, that is small r, and the width of the path, and we have to find the width of this also we have to find. Okay, so now we'll start with the area of this circular garden to find the radius of this garden, okay, which is asked here, the radius of circular garden. So number 1, area of circular garden is equals to pi r square, okay, or 5,544 meters square. So area is given by pi r square. So this side 5,544, okay. So by this way we can find the radius of this circle, okay. The value of pi is 22/7 into r square, 5544 here, okay. So r square is equal to 5,544 into 7 divided by this 22, okay. So calculating this portion, we are going to get 1764, okay. R square as the square root of this is the radius of circular garden. So square root of this thing, you find it, factorize this, okay, and then find it. So here we get 42 as the square root of this. So 42 meter is the radius of this circular garden, okay, which is number 1. Now the width of the path, is given by the difference of small r and capital R, okay. So to find the capital R, we'll take the help of area of ring, okay. Number 2, area of the path, that is the ring, area of ring is equals to 2,002 meter square, okay. And the formula of the ring is pi r square minus r square, okay, 2002 here. Now just simplifying this, okay, for capital R. So here pi is 22/7 and r square, small r, is your 42 square, 2002, r square minus 42 square is equals to 2002 into this 7 divided by 22, okay. Now to calculating this, we get 637, okay. This part, square of 42 is 1764. So r square we're going to find, okay. R square will be equal to this plus this. This is equals to 2401, okay. So r is square root of 2401. The square root of 2401 is 49 meter. Okay, this is the capital R. Now the width will be width of the path will be equal to capital R minus small r. Capital R is 49 centimeter and small r is 42 meter. Okay, this is meter. 49 meter minus 42 meter will give us how much? 7 meter as the width of the path. Thank you very much.